Alright, hey guys, I just got a minute and a minute 5 flat solving the Rubik's Cube, so I'm gonna try and do another one. Oh, dog in the bathroom. Epic. There she is. Alright, no, but seriously. Yeah, I got a minute and a minute 5 flat. Here it is scrambled and softened. Alright, so basically inspect it. Oh, this looks like an easy craft, actually. Okay. Oh, it didn't start. Keeps on not starting. Hold on. There we go, it started. Whew. I'm moving at lightning speed here, guys. Well, slowdowns like that really mess you up. Oh, PO skip, guys. 43 seconds. Holy crap. 43 seconds. Oh my god. 43 seconds recording. Oh, dude, that's awesome. See you guys.